Hello friends, welcome to this new video. Today we are going to discuss the levels of management. So let's start our topic levels of management. We all know that Sundar Pichai is CEO of Google and Sanjay Gupta is country manager and vice president of Google India. They both are managers of Google, but they manage Google at different levels. Sundar Pichai is managing the Google company at world level, but Sanjay Gupta is managing the Google company at country level. Management, we all know management is universal term used for certain functions performed by individuals like planning, controlling, directing, controlling in an enterprise. And these all individuals are bound together in a hierarchy relationship. Every individual in an hierarchy is responsible for the successful completion of particular task, and to complete this task or this responsibility, he is also given or assigned certain amount of authority or given some right to take decision. And this authority responsibility relationship binds all individuals in the organization, and it is developing the relationship like a superior and subordinate in the organization, and this gives rise to different levels of management in an organization. Generally, there are three levels of management. First is a top level management, second is a middle level management, and the last one is supervisory or operational management. Let's see first top level management. It includes senior most executives of the organization by whatever name they called, like chairman, chief executive officer, chief operating officer, chief financial officer, president, vice president, managing director, board of directors. In short, senior executives are a part of top level management. What they are doing, they integrate diverse elements: man, machine, money, material. They integrate all this, and they also coordinate the activities of different departments according to objective of organization. They are also responsible for the welfare and survival of organization. They also analyze the business environment and its effect on the survival of organization. They also formulate organizational goals and strategies for their achievement. In short, we can say they are responsible for all the activities of the business and for its impact on society. Really, the job of the top managers is complex and very stressful. Even longer working hours and commitment is required for the organization. Next is middle level management. In middle level, branch managers, departmental managers like purchase manager, production manager, sales manager, marketing manager. It includes all divisional heads. They are link between top managers and lower level managers. They are subordinate of top managers and superior of supervisory managers. Supervisory managers are also known as first line managers. Middle level managers are also known as division heads. Their main responsibility is implementing and controlling the plans and strategies developed by top management. They are also responsible for all activities of first line managers. Their main task is to carry out plans formulated by the top managers. For this purpose, they need to interpret the policies framed by the top management. They also have to ensure that their department has necessary personnel or necessary employees are there in their department. They also have to assign necessary duties and responsibility to employees. They also have to motivate employees to achieve desired objectives. They also have to cooperate with other departments for smooth functioning of organization. So this is all about middle level management. And the last one is supervisory or operational management. At this level, foremen, supervisors, section officer, clerk, etc. are including. They are at the lower level in hierarchy of the organization. Their authorities and responsibilities are limited, but supervisory management plays a very important role in organization because they directly supervise the efforts of the workforce. They are passing instructions of middle level management to workers. Through their efforts only, quality of work is maintained, wastage of material is minimized, and safety standards are maintained. But ultimately, quality of workmanship and quantity of output depends on hard work, discipline, and loyalty of workers. So this is all about levels of management. I hope you understand these all things. Thank you very much.